Hello, Village Elementary Early Childhood Development Center. I'm here to show you a few ways that we can use the Khan Academy within our kindergarten classrooms in order to help our learners and help ourselves a little bit too. So as you can see, there are many different subjects: math, science and engineering, computing, arts and humanities, economics and finance, test prep, and college and careers, and more. So what we're going to be looking at for this is math. So here you can go into math by grade. Kindergarten. So you can look at early math, and within the early math field, there's counting, addition and subtraction, place values. So there's a lot of really excellent resources here that you can use for your kids, as well as within the kindergarten, it kind of steps it up a notch. One second. So here within the kindergarten, there's place values, addition and subtraction, geometry. So when doing these, you can click on it and you're able to take quizzes. And here, I'll sign into my account. Excuse me. So here you're able to take quizzes in order to unlock your progress. It gives you points that you can use to tailor your learning page to, and just little practice quizzes that you can do along the way. So I'm not going to watch the whole video, but there's a short video to start that will show your students how it'll teach them the assignment, and then you can go and they are able to take the quiz if you assign it to them. So here we go. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Check. It does a beautiful sound. Great work. And you move on to the next question. So this is just one way that you can use the Khan Academy for your classroom. And then if you like the lesson, you can assign it to your students. It goes into my assignments, so I can view my assignments here. I go over and I'm able to look at the assignments that I have signed. I set due dates for them. So it's a very meaningful program that you can use to really individualize your class instruction.